Which chess piece should you take first? And we are the black pieces. In this position, we got three good options. King takes on f7, bishop takes on e3, rook takes on e3. Which is the best decision? Well, if king takes on f7, then you would have to watch out for this move, queen h5, attacking the king and the bishop at the same time, which is forking two pieces. We don't want to do that. If rook takes on e3, then why would just do rook to f5, and it's not really punishing the white pieces. The best move out of everything is bishop takes on e3, checking the king. If the king moves, then we could just take the rook on the f7 square. But if the rook moves to f2, we can pile on that pin piece by going to rook f8, attacking the rook twice, and pretty much taking the rook on the next move. That's why you have to be careful which piece that you take, because you never know if your opponent can basically win the game afterwards. You want to punish your opponent. Take that opportunity. Come on now.